Hey there, Stampers. This is Sherry Roth with Stamped Treasures. I'm a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Alberta, Canada. And today is May 5th, 2026, and it is the May to August 2026 Stampin' Up! Catalog release date. And because there are some changes in the format of this catalog and also in the release of the catalogs, I wanted to pop in and kind of do a walkthrough of the catalog and kind of share some things that I think you should be aware of. All right. So first of all, this you'll notice May to August 2026. So it's good for 4 months. Stampin' Up! Has gone from releasing an annual catalog and 2 mini catalogs to 3 catalogs a year. They will be smaller than the annual catalog, but larger than the mini catalogs. So there will be one May to August, there will be one September to December, and one January to April. And each catalog will include core supplies like stamps, ink, paper, tools, adhesive, that type of thing. And those core items will carry over, for the most part, will carry over from catalog to catalog. So it's going to make it easier. You won't have to reference multiple catalogs. So in the past, when we've had an annual catalog and a mini catalog, both current at the same time, sometimes you have to go back and forth. Whereas this, most of our products will be in here. There will still be an online section, so online exclusives, and when a catalog retires, then the core supplies, like I said, will carry over, but some of these products will carry over and still be available, but you'll only find them online. Okay, so that's how that's going to work. The format of the catalogs is a little bit different as well. Let me just make sure I'm in camera. Okay. So you'll see on this first page, I love this. It kind of highlights the 5 new in colors, so the 26 to 28 new in colors, and it highlights some of our exciting new products. So we have got these fabulous new shimmer brushes. So if you love a little bit of shimmer without the mess on your projects, these come in actually all 5 of our in colors, which I will share more about those in colors in a little bit. But they are like a Wink of Stella, but with color. So fun. So you can get those in all 5 colors. It also highlights our new style of ink pad. So this style, it's a magnetic closure. So you can see that they stack nicely. They're stuck to each other because they're magnets. But look how easy it is to open. And then you can stack them like this, or you can put them like this to close them. That just go like that. Super, super easy. And these are only available at the moment in our 5 new in colors. So our new in colors are Barely Blush, Crisp Cantaloupe, Golden Glow, Peaceful Pine, and Hydrangea Hue. So this style of ink pad this year they're only available in these 5 colors. Come 2027, they will be available in all of our other colors because there will be a color refresh. Okay, so I wanted to point that out, and a huge incentive to getting these ink pads. There is a new starter kit offer which goes from May 5th to 31st. And you can get all 5 of these ink pads for free when you purchase the starter kit. So here in Canada, the starter kit is $135. You get to choose $165 worth of product. It can be product from this catalog. It can be product from online exclusives, from our kits collection, any combination. Basically anything that you can purchase, you can include in your starter kit. You can either choose to get these 5 ink pads for free, or you can choose to add an extra $50 in product. So that is a fabulous deal, and I would love to have you join my Stamped Treasures team. We have a Canada-wide team. We do monthly team meetings, so I'd love to have you join. So I will post a link to where you can join in the description below. And just remember that that's only valid until May 31st. Okay, so that's the new. It also talks about a couple other new products that we have. Then we move on to the next page, and it kind of highlights what Stampin' Up! Is about, where you can find them online. It's got the table of contents here. It highlights, let let's see here. I lost my page of my notes here. Kind of what we have to offer, like the product of the month. So every month, Stampin' Up! Comes out with a new product of the month. And if you spend $100 before shipping and tax and after any Stampin' Rewards, then you can choose to add on whatever the product of the month is for $7. Now, if you guys have purchased the product of the month in the past and you've only paid $5, that is because there was an incorrect printing. And so until May of 2026, we here in Canada only had to pay $5, but now the price has gone up to the real price, which is $7. And this month it is the Berry Botanical Vellum. So this looks absolutely stunning. It's not DSP, it's vellum. So printed vellum. It looks absolutely beautiful. So that will be available for just $7 with a qualifying order while supplies last. That's something to note, that these products are only available while supplies last. All right, so it talks about that, talks about paper pumpkin and a few other things. And then it goes on to the different ways to craft. So it kicks off with kind of a step-by-step. All right, so it talks about step-by-step, which is basically our kits collection, our scrapbooking workshop kits. Paper pumpkin would also be a step-by-step. So this is great for quick and easy projects, something where you don't need a lot of supplies. Most of what you need is all included in the package, and you can choose to go exactly how it's intended to be created, or you can step outside the box and do something different. And then it moves on to quick and easy. So quick and easy is basically fast projects, but you get a few more choices. So here it shows you, you can pick, you need some tools. So you need a paper trimmer. You could pick note cards and envelopes. You can add some DSP if you want. Then you can add in some like either stamp sets or ephemera, and then you can add in some embellishments. So there's a smaller selection. It's not quite as overwhelming as flipping through the catalog. Sometimes it's helpful, especially if you're a newer crafter, to have a smaller selection to choose from. And then it goes on and kind of shows you some of the things that they chose to create these projects. And then same over here. Also, I wanted to point out at the bottom of page 13 are some of our sketches, or templates is what the Stampin' Up! Calls them. But that is often overlooked because it's so tiny at the bottom there. So I do want to point that out because I love working with a sketch. It's nice to have like a starting point if you're just working with a blank slate. And then it moves on to Creativity Your Way. So this is for people who love lots of freedom to be able to choose and pick and choose what they want to use and what projects they want to make. So that is this section here. And then it moves on to the suites. So you'll notice that it's got, if you want the entire suite, it's got the product number, the name. If anything has this pink N, that just means it's a new product. And then it's got the price. So this happens to be a mega suite, which has 2 bundles. There's also some boxes. There's these adorable little butterflies, which I'll share a project with you in a little bit that has those. There's some DSP. And so it's broken down, everything that's included in the suite, and it tells you what page you can find it in, because that is another thing, is you will find many of these products in multiple places throughout the catalog, because the first, after the kind of the ways to craft, it goes into the product, and it's broken down into suites, and then bundles, and then stamp sets, and then dies. I'm not sure if that's the exact order, but it's broken down into sections like that. So it makes it so much easier to find product. But because there's a bundle here, you'll also see this bundle in the suite collection, but you'll also find it in the bundle collection. And then you'll find the stamp set under the stamps and the dies under the dies. So that's something that I want to point out. And that is great because oftentimes we'll flip through a catalog, and if this color scheme or these projects don't appeal to you, you might just completely overlook it. But then you see the bundle, like I love these scallops. I don't love this color combination. So this DSP is probably not something that I would purchase. So I might skip this step or this page, but these dies are fabulous. So I wanted to point that out. It also gives you the color combination that is in the suite or in the DSP, and then it gives you some beautiful samples as well. The samples in this catalog are fabulous. All right, and then if there is additional product that coordinates with that suite, then you'll find it on this next page. So on this one, there is a scrapbooking workshop kit that coordinates. There is DSP and sticker sheet. There's coordinating two-tone cardstock, and then there is an additional bundle. So that's where you'll find that. And then it moves on to the next suite and another suite. So and then we'll skip through this. I don't want to take too much of your time here. Okay, and then we move on to the bundles. So you'll see that it's got the N, it's got the price crossed out, because remember, when you purchase a bundle, whether it's a stamp set and die or a stamp set and punch, you always save 10%. So yeah, it's got the discounted price there. And it also has, okay, so this one says new, this one says suite. So if it is part of a suite, it's letting you know by this little icon here that it is also part of a suite. So if you love this bundle and missed that it was part of a suite, you can go back and you can find that bundle in the suite and see if you wanted to order the entire suite or if you want to stick with just the bundle. All right, so we've got a few pages of bundles. We've got a little page on our stamp positioner, which is available with the release of this catalog. So this catalog goes live today, which is May 5th. That's when I will post this video. The stamp positioner is available to purchase, and then it goes on to stamp sets. So again, you can see if it's got this icon, it's part of a bundle. All right. So here you can see here it's part of a bundle, but it's also part of a suite. Okay. So keep an eye on those icons. All right. And then we've got our dies. And again, it still has those icons. And then our punches. And now our DSP. I love that they went back to this and that all of our DSP is together. And then these three here, you'll see that these three are a little bit different. So here it's got the DSP. Here, not only does it have the DSP, but this also has a sticker sheet that coordinates with it. So you have the option of getting just the DSP, which is here, paper only, or DSP and sticker sheet, which is paper and sticker sheet. So just be mindful of that for the product number. If you're ordering this, and you just want the paper, you want to order this product number. If you want the paper and the sticker sheet, you want this product number. All right. Okay, let's see here. What else have we got? And then it goes into like some of our specialty paper. Here it goes into a little bit more detail about the mix and match. And I do want to point out that there's an additional paper pack here that coordinates with some of our mix and match packages. Mix and match is basically our ephemera packages, but this is a fabulous paper pack. I love the colors and the patterns in this paper pack. And if you're looking for quick and easy, you could grab this paper pack and then some ephemera packages and maybe some cards and envelopes or white willow cardstock if you're a scrapbooker, and you're good to go. All right, then it's got some memory keeping products, embellishments, adhesive, and it does have these little icons down here, what adhesive is best for your project. So if the adhesive has this icon, then it's good for cardstock and paper. If it's got this, it's good for ribbon. If it's got this, it's good for embellishments. If it's got the Stampin' Cut and Emboss, then it's good for die cut pieces. And then, of course, 3D projects as well. So you can use that to reference the adhesives to find out what works best. All right, and then we've got tools and ink, that type of thing. Here it kind of shows what is available in our in colors. So you've got the shimmer pen, you've got some ribbon, you've got blends, you've got the ink pad, ink refill, cardstock, both regular cardstock and two-tone cardstock. And one of the things that I will be doing over on my blog, which I will link to the description below, every Wednesday this month, I will focus on a different in color and share a fun new color combo. So where I focus on one of the in colors and I incorporate or mix it with some of our regular colors. So here is the project that's going to get posted tomorrow with the color combo. So it's Crisp Cantaloupe, Basic Beige, and Secret Sea. So that's kind of a fun new color combination. So you can look forward to that all month long. All right, and then we've got our color collections all broken down to what's available in those collections. And then we've got an index, which is nice to have that index back. All right, now I had mentioned that I would share a little peek at some of the things that are coming your way as far as classes and projects. So first of all, I wanted to share this month's class to go. So I partner with Laura Milligan in the US, and this month's class to go, we're focusing on the Waterside Retreat Suite. So we're using this bundle, this DSP, these embellishments, and here are 3 of the 6 cards we'll be making in class. And I will link to where you can find more information on that in the description below. It is called the Waterside Retreat Class to Go. Also, if you're watching this on the 5th, this is also the last day that you can register for another class, card class that I'm doing, and it is the Fern and Flora card class. Let me just find that suite. That is using the products from the Moonlit Flora suite, and these are the 3 projects that we'll be making in that class. So registration closes on May 5th, which is the day that I'm posting this video. If you're catching this video after registration closes, I will post a link to where you can purchase the tutorial. So if you want to make those 3 cards but weren't able to register in time for the class, you can always purchase the tutorial. All right. And then one of my favorite collections in this catalog is the Beautiful Ordinary Life suite. I love this suite. I love the muted colors. I love that the back is black and white. I love this bundle. I also absolutely love this bundle. So that's what I use to create this card here. There's DSP and sticker sheet as well. There's a workshop kit. There's lots and lots of great stuff in this collection. And you will see my next interactive mini album class coming out soon. So you can see here, this was done using the DSP and the sticker sheet. So then it opens up, and then there's a little insert here and another one here. And then we flip it over. There's an insert here and another one here. And then one more on this side. So a fun little interactive mini album. This is made out of envelopes. So, and it could stand up like this, or it could stand up like this. You could add photos to it. You could use it for journaling. You could use it as a travel journal and use the pockets to kind of tuck in some ephemera that you collect. So there's lots of ways that it can be used. And you can use any collection. So once you know how to create this album, maybe this isn't the collection that you love. Maybe you like something different. You could always use something different. All right. So I will link to where I created a bookish themed one using something completely different, but I used the same format for the mini album. So I will link to where you can see a flip through of that in the description below as well. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed that flip through. I hope you found it informative. Just a reminder of this month's product of the month, the Berry Botanical Vellum. You'll want to get that early. I think that's going to sell out quickly with the vellum and a brand new catalog. It's easy to hit that $100 mark. So I think that's going to sell out pretty quickly. And then also the opportunity to get those 5 new ink pads absolutely free. All right, so you'll find all of the links in the description below, and I look forward to sharing lots and lots with you over the course of the next few months. All right, take care.